Hey everyone, it's Tim again at Orange County Auto Wholesale, 1852 McGaw Avenue, Irvine, California, 92614. Today, I'm showcasing this really cool, beautiful 2023 Land Rover Range Rover P530 SE short wheelbase. This is a beautiful rig. This vehicle only has 38K local owner miles, executive owned, still under factory warranty. So you're still under the Land Rover Range Rover factory warranty. So you have zero risk. Carfax certified, clear, clean title. There's a wide array of options. I'll get into that in just a second. Let's look at the condition. No dings, no dents, no scratches, no wheel curbing. Tires are all matching. Look at the front end. Very, very nice. Headlight lenses are nice and clean. Obviously, it's been garaged. No front end road rash. This vehicle comes equipped with Santorini Black Metallic paint, 24-way heated and cooled electric front and rear bucket seats, Ebony perforated semi-aniline leather seat trim. Does have the hot climate pack. It is the premium upgraded interior package, black brake calipers, a 23-inch gloss black style wheels with spare to match, heated windscreen, pixel LED headlights with signature directional, heated steering wheel, bespoke gloss wood, and leather steering wheel. It has the ebony Orzini headlining, gloss black veneer trim. We'll get into that in a minute. Illuminated seatbelt buckles. Of course, all your technology, your navigation, your backup camera, Bluetooth, all of that. So again, just a really, really pristine luxury upper scale vehicle. Look at that driver's side seat bolster. It's perfect. Not broken down. The interior doesn't have any stains, no burn holes, no smells. There's no excuses on this vehicle at all. Has the rear window shades, the Meridian sound system. Again, just a nice vehicle. Panoramic roof. Let's open the back. Take a look back there. I can find the release. There you go. There's the release. Has the cargo area cover that is removable. You have the dual stage trunk release. So again, just a real pristine, nice vehicle. We'll get inside and show you that there's no warning lights on. Again, under full factory warranty. I'm outside in front of my building, Orange County Auto Wholesale. There's my building here. All my vehicles are indoors, so you might hear some traffic in the background. Let's get in and start it so you can hear this run. It fires right up. Has the V8 motor. There's the miles, 38,980. All of your air conditioning controls, your master command center, steering wheel controls, everything you'd expect in a high-end vehicle. This vehicle will be priced in the high 80s, so it's going to be competitively priced for the market. So stop in, Orange County Auto Wholesale. My name is Tim again. My number is 949-235-1759. You can text or call. Home of the #1 rated pre-owned luxury auto dealer in Orange County. And also home of the 59-minute or less total car buying experience. So stop in today, drop me a text or email or a call, 949-235-1759, so you can experience this really beautiful, awesome Range Rover. This vehicle also was over $141,000 new, so you're going to save some money on a car that's still under factory warranty. Hope you have a wonderful day and reach out to me. Again, my name is Tim. Thank you.